Alright, it's December 11, paper 1-2. It says an arithmetic progression contains 25 terms and the first term is negative 15. The sum of all the terms in the progression is 525. Calculate the common difference of the progression. Alright, so it's A part 1. The data we have contain 25 terms, that means the n is 25 and the first term is negative 15. The sum of all the terms, so Sn is known and that is equals to 525. We need to find out the common difference. So the working formula for Sn is equals to n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times d. Alright, placing values here, so n is 25 divided by 2, a is minus 15, so it will be minus 30 plus n is what, 25 minus 1 leads to 24 times d, and sum is given, that is 525. We need to simplify the equation to find the value of d here. After solving, you will get difference is equals to 3 and that is your first part answer. After that, for second part, it says the last term in the progression. Alright, for last term we know that the working formula is what, it's a plus n minus 1 times d. So a is given, that is negative 15, n is 25, so 25 minus 1, it's 24, and difference is 3. Simplify it, so you will get 57. That is your second part answer. And after that, for third part, it says the sum of all the positive terms in the progression. Now in this part, the important term is positive terms. Alright, so let's suppose if you write down the values we have, it's minus 15, since the difference is 3, so it's minus 12, minus 9, minus 6, minus 3 and 0, and after that it's 3. That means all these values are of no use, right? Because it says we are looking for all the positive terms. So for this question, we have the first value is 3, right? The last value we had find out, it's 57, but we don't know the value of n, right? The last value is 57, the first value is 3. We don't know the number of values. So first we need to find out the value of n here, and difference is 3. Applying the working formula of last term, which says that L is equals to a plus n minus 1 times d. So L is 57, a is 3 plus n minus 1, n is unknown, and d is what, 3. So after solving it, you will get the value of n, and that is equals to 19. Now we need to find out the sum of 19 terms. So S19 is equals to 19 divided by 2, it's 2a plus 19 minus 1, 18 times d is what, 3. So after solving it, you will get the sum is equals to 570, and that is your answer. For part B, a college agrees a sponsorship deal in which grants will be received each year for sports equipment. This grant will be 4,000 in 2012 and will increase by 5% each year. The value of the grant in 2022. Alright, first thing, this question is from the topic geometric progression, because the increment is 5% every year. Now what do you mean by increase in 5%? Originally the percentage is 100, right? If the increment is 5%, now that means it is equals to 105%, which is equals to 1.05. The value of R we have, it's 1.05. The value of A, it's 4,000, that is in 2012. Now we need to find out the grant in 2022. So firstly, we need to focus on number of years here. From 2012 to 2022, the number of years we have is 11, right? Now we need to find out the value here. So applying the working formula for geometric progression, which is equals to Tn is equals to Arn minus 1. Alright, the value of A is what, we have 4,000, R is 1.05, and n minus 1 leads to 10. Simplify and you will get the nth term. So that is equals to 6515.5, or if we round off to, that will be 6516. So that is your first part answer, and the unit is dollars here. In the next part, it says the total amount the college, that means we need to apply the working formula of sum of n is equals to a r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, placing values here. So a, it's 4,000, r value is 1.05, n is 11 minus 1 divided by 1.05 minus 1. So after solving, you will get $56827, and that is your sum answer.